Dauphin Airbus Industries, and it's the Dauphin, and it has a Penistron in the back. We'll tell you about all the technology in this. And we welcome the team right now to keep your eye on the helicopter with the rotating wings. That's how helicopters work. The wing turns round and round on the top. Tail rotor counteracts all that torque. What all that means is a helicopter pilot is a busy person. So let's right now watch him fly. It's a Penistron, and what it is, it's higher, it's more efficient, it counter rotates, of course, the rotating wings on the top, and almost the blades inside are not evenly spaced. I don't know the math and the technology of that, but it makes it more efficient, it makes it quieter, and it looks cool too. Look at that, that's the Penistron on the back. All those years of shot class. It's alright, it's great. Apparently, we're ahead of your team. There you go. So we carry ambulatory guests on scores to land. It's supposed to be help. Need that kind of help. They're looking at all of us here this weekend. So CareFlight Air and Mobile Service is the official air transport service of the CenterPoint and Dayton Airshow, presented by Kroger. CareFlight transported more than 42,000 patients in 38 years of service to this community. CareFlight, the only air medical program in Dayton with the capability to transport 2 patients at one time. Twin turbines, 180 mile per hour maximum flight speed. And it's just so beautifully designed. It's a gorgeous flight. You can see the wheels are down, the landing gear is down. Is it a lighting gear or is it a wind? That's a good question. A little semantic there for you. I'll go and land down just to be difficult. I'll drop it off. I have no idea. We're listening to Kelly Hudson. Owen Ashurst is also one of the air bosses for this year's show, as well as Matt Creed and Jim Tucheron. I am top of the Continental Air Show's production trailer up there. All of the shots. Look at that. CareFlight making their way on back in now. Remarkable job there by CareFlight. Prince and CareFlight. Richard Williams, superb job demonstrating. Now coming back on duty and looking for our welfare here. Not the men we need, but they're here looking after us too. We appreciate it. Again, we're just getting going at CenterPoint Energy Dayton Air Show. So much more to come. And right down there now, speaking of more to come, is our good friend Tom Larkin. He's camped out there. He is sitting down there on the runway. You will need one of those 250-pound lenses right now to really see him. And he's way down there on the far side. It's a mini jet.